Hello everyone and welcome back to my final more important analysis video on Monday the 14th of January with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which has picked up again this morning. And it's interesting that we're sort of tracking back towards the highs of this recent consolidation once more. It's not like we haven't been here before. Several times in the last sort of week and a half, we've actually seen the market sort of tracking towards the 1295, 1297, 1298 area and failing. So is this the time at which we're going to be sort of building for an upside break? Well, looking at this consolidation, we are sort of holding on to the support at 1285 that we've tested a couple of times in the last two sessions and pulled higher, seemingly held again this morning. You've got the momentum indicators which remain positively configured, RSI above 60, stochastics still above thereabouts around 80. MACD lines just tailed off a little bit in this consolidation. They are, and as I said in the morning report, you could easily see that if you get a couple of negative candles in a row, then that would likely to drive a bit of a bear cross maybe on the MACD lines. But I'm still looking at any sort of weakness on gold as a chance to buy. And this consolidation, I think, is going to ultimately just be a sideways move that maybe just tracks to around this sort of 1281 level of support and then breaks higher in due course. But again, this morning we are tracking towards the highs of the range, looking for that upside break. Is this going to happen? Well, you sort of look on the hourly indicators, back up around 60 again on the RSI. If that starts to again be a point at which we fall over, drop back into the 50s, well, maybe that again would be another indication of where the bulls are not quite ready yet for this upside break. But 1294, 1295 initially where we're hitting today. So as I said, 1297, 1298 is where we see the resistance of the range coming in. Now, just immediately above that, if I zoom out, you've got 1300 and 1310, this old long-term pivot range that the market has consistently been turning around at previously in the last sort of 2 years or so. And once more we're back towards that level, so that is the key resistance, 1310, that you need to see the market tracking through in order to really start to drive higher. And yeah, this is interesting that we're still getting this consolidation at around this level, but still hopeful for an upside break, but not quite coming yet. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.